Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am a YouTuber who searches for the best available promo codes and discount codes and gift card codes to save you lots of money. Now today's video, I'm sure you've worked it out by the title and thumbnail, it is how you can get a $100 discount code or account credit code for Uber Eats, and this works worldwide, so you can be any country and it will just convert to your local currency, whatever $100 is. Now if you've been searching for discount codes for Uber Eats, you know they're hard to come by, especially good ones for existing customers. Now I found a $100 code that will work for new as well as existing customers, and it's no strings attached. You can use it on any order and there's no minimum value. So I'm going to also share the phone screen here to show you how you can do it on your mobile, and it's probably easier on your mobile phone, but I'm showing you both methods here. So you need to visit www.giftcardhero.net. Now this is the website. You can see giftcardhero.net, so you just got to type this into your internet on your mobile phone or on your computer to make sure you go directly to the website. Now once you reach the website, you're greeted by a ton of different pages, not just for Uber Eats, but we need to find the Uber Eats page, guys. So you got to go to search, just type Uber Eats in here, and you can see there's the Uber Eats promo page. So we're going to press that, scroll down. You can see this has been used a ton of times by verified users, and it's been verified today, meaning it's working today. This is the Uber Eats $100 account credit code / off your order, so you don't have to use this on one order. It will credit your account and you can spread it across as many orders as you want. So let's get the code. We've got to press this green button. Now this is a verification step. Essentially this protects the codes from, as you can see, robots stealing them. So it says here you've got to complete one of the fast free surveys. I find you usually have to complete two. So complete one and then check if it hasn't worked, complete the second one, and you can see on the mobile screen here you're going to get some slightly different offers. You can get mobile ones. They're basically just free tasks to complete to unlock the codes. So I'm going to go ahead and complete one or two of these, and if it asks for your email address, make sure you put in your correct email, because it emails you the code and it also verifies you're a real person. So give me 2 minutes and I'll quickly complete both of these offers and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I had to do both of these. I actually completed the first one and I went back and I could see it didn't work, so I completed the second one. So now if we go back to this page and scroll down, it should hopefully, yes. So you can see this is my $100 promo code. So this is basically a random string of numbers and characters, but when entered into the promo page on your Uber Eats app, it's going to credit your account. Now these codes are one-time use, so I'm going to use this in a minute. So this code will show as invalid if you try to use this. You need to go and get your own, guys, and go to giftcardhero.net, and yeah, this is by far the best promo code you're going to find for Uber Eats. So it's not even worth googling, because as you can see there's hardly any decent promo codes there. 5% is probably the best one you're going to find. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Press the like button and subscribe to my channel for more promo codes like this. Thanks for watching.